na Awurade Nyankopɔn ɛmfa sedeɛ ɛnhyɛ w'afonum. Awurade ma wo moma so nyɛ den ɛnsene w'atamfo. Awurade Nyankopɔn tutu ɔnamɔn ɛnsie. Awurade ma w'akyi dɔmpem. Awurade Nyankopɔn gyegye wo taatamfa nkoto baabi ɔno Awurade Asafo Yehowa ɔno ahyɛ sɛ ɔde wo kɔ. Sankontu abrabo so yase boni nkan no how men ntomadan oprim beto benkum opidu beto nifa ebi nkan wote wo de wani wona ade behwe no wo de boye fo akatua Awurade ani muti ento so Awurade nhira ento so Awurade abaso bo enye wabotire Awurade nya wo chem Awurade nya wo katabo Awurade nya wo tipeja nya wo temgyinafo Awurade gyinafo Awurade nya wo rechichefo pa na ye bia wa hyire Awurade mfantomo nya wo rechichefo pa na ye bia wa hyire Awurade mfantomo osumi wemu Awurade ma onsere wate Awurade ma wadansidie Awurade ma onsere wate Awurade ma wadansidie Awurade ma nipa hunu so no na pa hunu so no na aboa wo akyeche ore o Kristo Yesu dimo eni aboa wo akyeche ore o Kristo Yesu dimo eni aboa mpae Sompa.
Enyum nechia kumasei. Mima, good afternoon. Share eradin ni mo enye yo. Entifa ohotoneso. Eradi ye chewo. Onyami sunsum ye chewo. Anapem pabona ye boy ni ye chewo. Na ye jidisa obeye. Media mi jidisa obeye. Enti maka amen. Mema wo good afternoon. Na mema wakwaba eba Sompa delights. So when you have frequency in the way new heart as a woman, you ain't Sompa delights. I trust say obia honye. French ni meka say sava. Na Spanish ni naka say como estas. I believe you are fine. In here you are care. Oh, your joke bang. Miraculeke ya fanama. Oh, nyami sunsum ye chew. And ne Sompa Delight special day. So when him last Wednesday na ye dishas here. Na yesi obi a waye bibia so wani service bia so wani anase bibia obi ya so wani no ye bie phone lines na obeba na wa boni pa na baso sani ebe ya of afoforo so be sua nia nipa na ye no anase omudi betu omo hofo so that omo a omo nya ni ye no omo be ye omudi ye Michelle bibia idia mejeso ane Abena Ruthy. So nim say ye vocabs corner ebeba, don't worry cry ebeba. Na eneno. Hey, me will be special demo. Yeah, industry I will me music industry yeah wo empanyin phobia omudi kan try sabito homa ye na ye didi ho ye kojina stage ye to me to omunwoma ye wi yaje sika hye yata so no mu shekona no omu eh ready hu ye mobo we dey ready also dey chaye because ye didi empanyin fu ye dwuma hu papa na ye decide say anyum to for film for near the entertainment industry and in general obi all ye bibia why what say bia efe na esum ye bo no ye de ne beba Wednesdays na ya be celebrating no enunti enne me were Palcritudinous woman we were demo ha so kai Palcritudinous I know word na ye and yes breathtakingly beautiful nyami sonso maya hodemi efanya we jumano. Let me not keep you in suspense anymore. enyumia echegoi ye nyina ye nim mamia otu ne ho si ho ema nyame you see no na nyumia ye blessing ama ye for many years. I recall said those times anami wo unibank komlemle side ho no na misimu na me kwa adwuma na pa bia those times na radio station bi bona chese yenya bonyom ne pe na ma me vim. Oh, me say, ewura me say nti esa no pa no ba ko du adwumem no wan ye lem na bibia kototen na ye bonyom na pa ne sa ye na me say ne Sompa delight ye de mama abefie ha. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Abawa Kone. Mommy, yay! Nyankopon show.
Amen. Unshawonso.
Amen. Wabwejuma.
Aseda ye rade dia.
Yeah. Over the years, that just say enyum no akwechiri ayejuma ajiakra. Abua me nim say nye we kwa na onyum other ones kwa po forgive me say ye hwe ye be boy no nti me pa try to sing
Adom nti me ho ye rade adom.
Amen ye dera diase ejuma ne so far et sing me nim say why ya che mfi ahini na why ejuma yi
yo metia atiefo nyina osa me to dwom no mfinsia aduonum ni 50 years ni.
Okay, wow
50 years ni
I see. Wow. And so you free share 50 years my main kana minti da me twi na anya papa sa 50 years ni mo no sign na etema wo akoyie aye wo fine aye wo fair, you know.
Ya someone bebreu.
Mama can you na and then yes celebrate too.
And celebrate too. Ewo mu. I said if it is say wo Bethany sorry.
Okay.
A singing band. A 67 mu.
Wow.
Na me was on them who be na me ketoa mu na singing before no to jumbi na intimi quiet na me catch any some person me to for sure me ho me gina adum ni adum was say me hunanim dabi me hunanim dabi.
Okay.
Masinopi awama kumemu samehunani dabi.
Wow.
Enti meto ya no na ya ayifo no nwanwa. Menna me ya ketekete enti ne efi ho no na me menne singing about for no nante ya and Tibet said 70s no mu and I'm sorry about Divine Revelation Church okokomremrem ne madam Fubi and akoye enti ho no so na because catch us for nsem metodwom
okay
na mani so ase he do dwom to me there and he me podo do so
otonyo member
enti no no me ha dwen wonim na me go school down so aso dwom no woto abetie papa enti
wow
Sunday no na me call enti papa nse metodwom so for no my name is Sister Raka baby mom Sister Chama says "'Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus, just to take him at his word, just to rest upon his promise. Make me cause go down so you may me the takase. Me the takase answer be ko yo say ko yo. Every Saturday no ekonwana me take drum ewo asori no.
Okay.
I mean 70s in no no.
Okay.
Na nipa bebre atutu kwan. Nti na nea oka ho pa hot toppers.
Okay.
Hot toppers no there no. Enti muana enenam emusa enti 79 80s no na asori no. Yes, saye no. Born again church.
Okay.
Enti emu na me say born again gospel band.
Wow.
Enti mu no anochitoku.
Okay.
Sister Mary.
Okay.
And Philip Ahmedson. Inipa ebebre enti no. Etesunu mu no. Ena Musa no de bebre enti me ye kakra enti na edi kan ye sadwumwe kom na maya onyami no ni mase ma kome musa maya oba kofo mimi obiara kom na maya Ajonya mino ni wasem o makome munsem enti emu ame yadre ewomu enti says no mo na me yadwuma ayi despite
okay
na enyumo no Aradi medi wachacha Nanso mi da suti ya reimu Aradi eshema sitremu Neye bibi mame Aradi medi wachacha pa Medi wachacha Enti muano sa Enyumu wese mu no na Midin ya frame Comfort edu
Okay
Enti no sa time no na we Enyuntofo ayi mama konibi ono wonu na to we say me hwasia
okay
me remove from da if you say erade na ono de comfort edutwa and na comfort ano and so
yes
and now me so me did comfort to do enti that's part na say me fa abawa kone
na
announce ni volunteer say abawa de ade na so abawa yes Sompa
exactly say bible mu de
abawa ne say say be ebi a we ye akwa bi na say ehia wana say bibi sente that's part de sajum no edin no ma me abawa kone enti mene na mua enti 2000 mu na ba be ye we no yeah return wo
okay
nyami sanswe awa wodi bra anyume me se bra me bra ye
wow
me di call producers for be 100 ho
hey I say wait
me di chini ba ko bi dia me de command say enka onto na sat am no cry 1005 oh me koya was so anyumi de say senti no o catch me say e mano English na un cassettes no
okay
in 2000 any 2 weeks pena of miss in fanyumra and I'm say there be
who said Bekoye? Who said Bekoye? Also, my I need a hint
no. A moon one, the mistress see the kakra and the cassette no. Kakra crana. Radio stations, no. How about permit me with and I say.
Oh, and then one I ever celebrate you in
to almost so boame.
Okay.
Radio stations be brave, any panu be brave, one more boame. A bought Sajumana de Baby, see the Monsoma Baby Bobby. So here, auntie. And no more a Jumano. I do much a dear. Rather the mouth dear. What be funny, my baby?
Yeah.
And so. When the muka the baby are in no rather semen. Oh, what's a man with Yampa? Into my brew.
Yeah.
No did my broom enough from cry enough from.
Yeah, there are the Asima Bravo, and then no, yes, some party like special. Yeah, Boa Basso. Means for men to us, and I mean, you said here for Susana, Como. Now, me person beside in terms of system, I woho, Emmanuel to 4 near dear no, Edwards, our boa near dear system, no, a boa na.
You may that say, no crap any dear. I'm penning from to a shed, and you soon didn't call you cry. Say, it is some share. Samatodrum in fear be brain new. I sing in a metodrum. Many months so baby. Your boss said, Sabi, will be fitzy. Yes, a granoa. Oh, song so no, Anna. About and so no. Said, do you say catch no more? And you, Sompa106.5Fm. We can't say cap pie, them, mammy, in fear, babe, me and no, any in his schedule, the mamma. And yet,
wow.
And you pa, saying yes, a beer, and he, Mamma and ne, a boy for ne, a juma, me yanka and your crack.
So we you may become young to and yes, I
dear. Okay, a swamp car and I know the dear say and penfono tenasepana or monster tetefono ya two minimum dear is sebibia made dear maybe they be one more.
Stories ne de eya yete pa efa eyi mu amudi kan ne ho eya yete nti meje di se wo se
enya kra mo hwe yie pa ehi wo mo say yan atu enyum nsie aduanan aduonum ehi ekono afa ini pani wu ansa na ye ba beka se me de me nyamu mo ubetida se ye metwa so abanti no
exactly
eno de mo ne anifo no enka se ini pani to anyum na che no mo
and show mo
and so yet at se me be se me kan se me se I feel say in fame you know na I'm at 500
in royalties.
Wow. I did a big amis.
Yeah.
Sagradi ako. Because so and baby I sorry yes baby bibia. So
gamro she
papa
eya sempa meje di
how junipa
wow udim said na mafo no na sisi a me fa ne say omunim charge ne ade enti na ne okobo show a o gini boom ne ade bad moma breso no na enti sa enti o system ne ye in place a ebetumi ama mo didi mo adwuma ho na nye se na me di kana me kan say ye ko gina stage so ane ato nwumi ya to nwumi ye di aje mi hwa ye wi a ye di ji ye sika ato ya ta so ne ye ko da ne a ono nwum ne ye ne di anankasa no na o hye baabi na onya so mfa so enti We are appealing.
They have me because say near all share a Jumano son crowd, you know, but some your channel can say, Nania, or no, a Jumanoa in Phoebe Brenina, I feel in Phoebe, and Yamao.
Mama, what's up, Naomi there? What's up, Naomi there? Or see, near all share a Jumano so no me and near what gamma office, all ye Jumano. Or no crying. But some of your man say, no, why ain't your mind or nuntina nipana or your money to a be. And yo, where do you move to a bars? And now, custom. Me funny say, Ghana for answer before no, I had to say, Unina. Now, why you be and yan, I say, oh, yeah, time or no, me medical. Try Jumwe. Jume Edika, Emetroye. O Joshua. Obi Rinina Wenim. Unkwana Nina Joshua. Said Demi Dimo Sachirino. Sarana Medi Wechi. Mirinyawu. Mirempawu. Shadina Mensuro Joshua. Said Demi Dimo Sachirino. Sarana me. Sajum was on say tufo. Tufo pa.
Will be our no more. Oh, and crown nafe. Yan to Dromonum Momondo, which here will be pa and a brabono. And your crown and your to form.
Wow.
And penny forno and your crown. Monim penny forno and can one more. And she show me ye pa and your cry.
Yes, I put any sham my end. See it to me a ye, Nampenny for no mucha or more a swab, or my juma, my yen, no mucha swab. Sure, say that and starting those quite jamo Ghana films. Yeah, yeah. And that there, men qua. Met me out. Higher, you met me out to 10 or to treble. I be that's right. Sompa106.5Fm. Saturday until Sunday, now 4. Until here now, started. Come na maya. Okay. Onyami no, and she said, Bako. I'm not on purpose. Safety, I say. Yes, I told one now. When you are Jimmy, she be brain, say, Pipi, Koyama, and then you may, and so I wanted. I said, suddenly, almost a pa, and yet, Mamma, what can I do? My uncle here when you mean back when I am ra. Say what's ya? It was saying, Chese, a real with you, whom knew soon munina. Na she won't cry. I she won't cry. My one who said, need that so or home. Man, I mean, shout. I mean, shout. I mean, why you be brave? Now, in some I can't so no. A tassum, we a bed bomb. Authorities say who say it was so much when you share and penny for you who here papa be papa be oh no I tete pan te say papa no wo atem kade okay
ni efra na who papa na sit na monto so tie adwum bi minim se wonim a tetete no ai onue wo sika sie bi o Ghana Commercial Bank ebra mi si so na Pontiac na me dem afa mi ko wa trotro papa I want say papa no wodwum bebre wo to dwum ache pani pa na wo ko hwe papa na abrabo mu a
wow
100 years ye sika na it is kind amano ayi 200 and it's enye ya pa
it was a system no juma
it samu hwehwe mu bibia sade a nyuntofo no dit mo hwe yen
in fact some part like ye be pem read the gamro penyin na abaha whether online or in person na ya toto na no ni ye hu measures a o dey sisi ho aboa empenyimfo because ehun hia na papa ya waka na sem ye ne be kasa ye ne meje di so be pese obekasa because 100 years na gamro ma 200 cities na wonyoma wo hofiti
wodum bebre wo asori nyom e bebre pam me bobo adwom no eso wonu ebeka
okay
eso wonti no o se mo hwe no
yego so na nya ene no nya wanti ne wa hanti nyankopon nhyira obebre
amen
ai na ne awoye bia soso no onto ne no baye I mean onto ne nsuo pa engu so na enye from because why ni nyina yi na ma focus why ni nyina nti ene so fa delight special so I celebrate good works excellence near there no celebration no na we icon for today nyankropo onhia bebre abawa kone onyuma ye nhia
abawa no na mepe abawa no
okay onyuma ye nhia bebre amayen ai meje di say bibi wo ha be pese obeka chietiefo I mean authorities wa kan mo de bibi wo ha be pese obeka chietiefo ana obi a otie wawie
oh niam ka atretiefo ne say asetremo no kakra ti bibi a won namu no nya abotre because tito nyontofo no nyontofo no but and will be on my with him and so onya oboaphobia onya botre onantim kakra onso nyame ono nipa omu ade na dako no de awa koma so no
on sabe
erade ebe ya ma me da nipa bebre so ase mintu amobodin ti no obi
na weja bi
anti me ma mienu akosia wo amanane
okay
peninsu ewo fiafia
okay
rade inso nyame ma me so te ase o
oh wow that's amazing and yeda sister akosia and sister fiase because who can now say even though nyuma wato ni ade na enfeche match no o may support ni ade and then of course the business
so be ade o
you do
won mo boa pa we be won mo hu say so now we dey me me say bi kra wo me say me ngwe
say koni di no nti yes abawa ne be share ho na differentiate
yeah yankopon sha wo mu nyina na uhunu junto from penimfoni bia nye se bi owo bia fam amano enye se bia nipa no nam stress debi kakra ebuo ni eni so mimis na mo a nipa cha ma de pa
why bebre
yeah
se obi person ofre for show bia number bi wo ho a ye betumi dia to dwa na ye betumi e de ama yen na yetumi de ato abonten and I say why you ready to
Sompa.
My number no ade 0244 27 86 77 0244 27 86 77.
Okay.
Mon frère mi say me de papa.
It's me send the number not to ja. Me send the number not to ja.
Mon frère me. Sorry Bibia with mon frère me.
Sa. Abawa kone say ojina so. No, but ampo. Emu mpanyimfo no nansen se ne amutu mi bo shows na nya easy o.
Ja ba mu ta.
Oh yeah, mo bemu. E che say like mu usua. Emre na dane nti mo so mo dane mo ho kakra na mo ne ebre na ye nti abawa kone number ne ye 0244 278677 0244 278677. Michelle, sorry, you would do birthday. Upe so ba or beba be boama pa inti my friend or not ye nimbo show no because I normally de can't come a chia come a talk come so hey me who tete bio in fact uko Facebook dear ube hu ye chegu ni old clips nibi ye chegu pa ay inti Facebook Sompa 106.5 FM Accra caps ube unse mama abawa kone nyom no ay abawa abawa kone nyom no chegu mama why ni na ye das number ni biom ye 0244 27 8677 0244 27 8677 me pa tra abawa kone why ready pa say oni ye be shows inti yem friend and then on Sompa Delight special no or no ena ye celebrating no I mama inti Samri ni ebepe a cappella of wo favorite song wonyuma waye nyina nia edawa koma so no to me tie for na ye de eja wo de eja ye kwan na ye de eja wo kwan nya bi show
me fan say it is no yakoko yes no kwa achim asante baby anti no adwumpa wo mode e kame pan kom na maye onyami no ni masem makome munse kom na maye onyami no ni masem makome munse maye oba kofo mini obiara kom na maye onyami no ni masem makome me so ye friend me say abawa kone me ya santini ba mi free kumewu mi so me to trouble de say nyame no nyam abawa kone nyami shira wo chese anyum de bebre o
no sanyum na me de nka wan to ansa wo ko apa nka be ha me to aso
wo so ye fra wo san oba bina Abena Ruthy
ane
o free hifa
dunkwa ofin
anu me ko wo krom kwa wa papa
me ya den chire
ni ba na djuma ne sai oyo duntuni ono so auto trouble di say nyame no nya sister Bray nyami shira wo nyo to mi enti dada won kasa wo kakra inyo wo kakra we see we bue yo the same nyame no nya
I mean muna mama edwabo ni ade ye de no so and neni nei sa nyumi ye da so boa ko bebia you know manya min show amen show na omie akwan bebre emma ni awuhu fie atwam nyina no free na ekono ma wu yeah oma wu because emfa ho ni fie awadi Nyankopon obetumi aye. I mean he does it with no expenditure of effort. And so ne ye. Enti no obetumi nia wunhu ye mfie twemu nyina obetumi ama wehu from ene ekwe na wetu na esi Sompa he de ye Sompa na market yapo. Enti na ketua pa na wahwehwe na wo nsabeka.
Ebeka wontie. Ma ya nwun foforo bi. Ebeba. Na enwun pese 5.
Okay.
Ni nyini momu no mbombu Nyankopon mama ho de pa o. Enwun ne da fom pa enti bi beba. Afi mu amen.
Ye beba ma ododo. Nyamisha mama.
Amen.
Nyamisha bebre ye da sese. Ye to nsafre wo ba ye na one ya be che inkransensem ne wa brabo mu nsem ne ade. Yesre nyamisha ma o. Yesre nkwatenten ahoden wom. Ena sika bebre emra se ne ameka ye ne wuhu ye nyina free na kure ubehu ye da se pa
some damase pa
pinso wademo ha ye dera dia se abawa kone ena ye ne kasa ye no ai wa ye bebre the number odi 2 jan is 0244278677. In fact o call Facebook na ko share kra ne clip na etwegu no sa number na wo ho enti me pacho yem freno na yem fanimbo shows I said ya oka no empanyefo ni bebre omunya omu edwuma na omu aye ne somfa so sa ti said ya namafo ni nya ni nti no muma yen famumbo shows yem frɛ omu birthday parties bibia na yen to me emu omu hu say sacrifice omu sacrifice for others to be excited and be happy omunya somfa so enti yeda mama sibebre I make also the Lexter Company Limited as producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush or say for hygienic healthy living always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. All products are available on the market baby obefebia or market ne so no ubenya Yas toothpaste ni Yas toothbrush ni bi mpacho Accra obefrɛ mu 05016195888 05016195888 na Kumasi so wafrɛ mu 05013903338 Kumasi 05013903338 Medama say me pacho enko baabia me twa me ho abasisi a
expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na se 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert
Hajia special local food abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wo aduane ne ye wo aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e friend local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya bontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tena se no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mo timi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972115 eye 05947972115 for na would them
medo edra no pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwi wusi o ado na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka senti na ye bokoi na me de me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfem me biem na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na eti brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me de hwimese enti na wo se efe na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham oh yes Enukratrodo, Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and the brush, Abusian Chamfa.
Sawo pedudu tu e won kan ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and the brush abedwaso, abeboy.
Tontonte, Yan Sani Fadrin.
Near Fadrin and Pa, say Nananum say Brebi Beba, Ama Tontina 74, Opa and simple. T74 abeyedru
Tontina 74 and T74 asa chiya jeni esina nanomu dudo so said na dudo buama na nanomu enyare basabasa no saa na Tontina 74 and T74 ebu ni peduano
ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den
Tontina 74 yinso yaye no sensuo krokro wa kama enti baabia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
samennom Tontina 74 menya hodin mennom no dabia
T74 yi hahama ene ye de aye na DHC na aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a
woko pharmacy ana baabia to nwo bia ubenya Tontina 74 yi biato
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu
eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkrato yi atom.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, the Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesa Kikwambo
Onyankopɔn di fa wasra no ewiye brim enam ne nsa so ama onyankopɔn we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai teacher Sompa first service ewo homa yen enye TV program keke eye bra osoro ne asase hia eye bra onyankopɔn kasa kyerɛ ne mba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma Sompa first service entwa wo ho hoda eye dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia. Fa woda no nyina share radens na erade beye.
Somebody like, somebody like. Any Jimbo. Oh, somebody like, somebody like. I just see a woman. Oh, somebody like, somebody like.
Sa pepe 106.5 FM na ejubedie ni Sompa delight. Somebody like sa frequency no. Ya mami abawa kone ena yene ne kasa ye no. Wa kan sembebre na ye bwerade mpaye so bekoso e hira ye mpanyimfo yi. Ai ehu hia pa se omo abo adwuma mfie dodo ene mfie bebre ono ni say no se wanya 50 years o se wanya 50 years o industry nim ai so onche den twa so aba ma o enye ni desa na mafoi na ndi eja omo tumi gigi omo gigs no mo twitwa omo abo ne ade but omo abreso no na passion na yesrerade ai so obe dane na ni ahwe omo ne yesre authorities because oka say royalties ni ade no tese ncheda nko yi sa ye bebo ho Sompa FM ampa ante adwa madam me chiawe wi odi
yes madam so mami ba ko pe Sompa delights
zi atwa we twa no ho
experience na baro
easy.
Delights. Cash.
Obi nyaya nka wadu o.
You so for that crambra na me fan nko training. Reza kitu ebi keke no be. Me kabia no ye no.
No.
Sompa. Delights.
Thank you.
Yes, great.
Na ewie me mama ha. Yeah, mommy, I be trim, I can send baby and some net talk, so na new especially near Otto to be na Asian crying you or Shasi and a name say, Yanya Moja to a crown.
And I knew I do back so may notice it and say, and you know, a crassun.
Yeah, a mood.
Auto rich a crasunsum, and you more 2 years na. Then I got the eye jama crown. O try so
na did ya grow.
I quite good in o try so na me ya say.
Me so me to
na pesa ko to a.
Nyami show.
Wow.
Mama we dear, she's been very amazing. I mean from day one. And we mo no mo nchemu.
Debbie evergreen.
Omo nchemu. Enti ennest so kra na ye bosho na omo ba unse as o ma take nyom no to a different level cry. No stress, no pressure, no gidi but ube feel it. Yeah. Ube feel it. And sometimes it's sad. It's sad say a juma on my year, the years of sacrifice and consistency. But uberheni pano na I mean, just what she was saying.
It's happening.
I mean, me feed that anymore and I'm a she used to come there for live worship. Or not have live worship. Almost at least a month, one by her be 2 or 3 times in a month. And what was so na crano when you knew, but what I saw who dear, or they etunyo.
It's not the number to Jay said, because
what I saw, and you see, in Kaweno, even though so one more or the year, but said your number may be no, no, say I want to me, wants me, Yanisa. Her shop is just here, and the shop has say, and she does very beautiful African way. What home? And because one yenesa, and baby, son, salvi, royalties be any baby, a be any ho.
Now, New York royalties so near in shop 2 years now, one chair, but only of course, Gamro were issues. Until like I said, near Rebel near to me, information and you know, public near there, but it was almost set up. No more to me working your man out, in coffee obienya, you know, the Juma why ye Sompa so because ahumti be brave wo be brave papa no boni didn't say ni be friend
be brave
wo ho sa
yeah and na some style because
and then I ye bo nkofo abaso say I mean obi aye bibi na ye ofe na obi susu aye na wanye ni ye ya e was say or set it up into ne enuanom gamro for ye frame say mo set it up my because ye die mu
sa etiase
o mo ti sa Abena Ruthy
e kwan bi na bi say kwan bi ani ho a o mo aye fan say o mo mantimi ti say abawa kone no enti ekwan bi ani ho a omonyum na ye da so to na ye da so bo no ekwan bi ani ho e betime generate scam o mana
enti sisi ano ne happen ne say nkofo identify with management near their so that omari package so most of these people now their songs are online near there but who say ya trimu
den I mean and the wine e be call e bia
online so
Apple and as iTunes and a baby say
but they all have
some original rendition be the ayena de bia project
here specifically
yes enti ne be boane say ye de system esisi ho a say enyom no ye bo wo he cry be connected to them no manya Sompa so say last week story about dum kikini papa ni die say enti no eno one system ne be ye adwuma na ye be koso abo deru na ya koso abo mu pnom na almost city up I don't want city up enti anyway that's that for no ye be wa ko din konkosa kakra before then ye the word beba second konkosa kakra ho because and then was see a beautiful lines na for
yes pa
bon nkofo abo mu da baso ana say obi a wa ye bibi ye for service bia you know why experience ye wo then you can mention it and I recall last week Obibo hospital be or Dansoma na baso see Royal Clinic or something I need to get the name so bibisa you just put it out send e be ya obi an service enye ya na so ontini din no obe app ni game na ono so atini din nti no vocabs corner ene no ye dani mu kakra because ye ma me be stra ye nti afa ni e de no eba nti vocabs corner are you ready?
We are ready.
Wait bagba okay, so the word for today, but nice. So we use nice. Enti word ne ye discombobulate.
Hey. See hey.
And discombobulate.
Hey, so and not the pulchritudinous exactly. And that's what say the hey sembe queen.
Discombobulate or discombobulate. So spelling ne ye DISCOMBOBULATE. So you can use it in the past tense, discombobulated, but discombobulated what we did fair no na you bet me conjugating anyhow. So the spelling again DISCOMBOBULATE. If you are there, let's go.
Okay. Discombobulate. Hey, you. Or say it's an informal, often humorous verb meaning to confuse, to frustrate, or to upset someone's composure.
Okay. So
it describes the act of making someone feel unsettled or perplexed or disoriented.
Okay. So me set it out say me confuse you now you in that state Ubeka say I'm discombobulated. And she say why you confused?
Why you basa?
Me put you together in that state. Yeah. We are discombobulated.
Me who where you know. Word back
Sompa106.5Fm.
Closely a friend is saying about meeting discomfort, in fact, where it is the first time is here. No credit about copy. Until Uma explanation and me come to say, "Ay, some OD." Wow.
It's discombobulate and no confusion. So there or be a disconcerted like the person or nobody to me putting a hood together. So you can get into a situation and I say where jija discombobulate. And see that is the word for today. You can use it in the past. Usually who use you use past no. But the present is discombobulated. And see when you anyway, TNTC concourse has not a met here for a bonko for Abasun and then Sompa Delight special.
Please don't leave me discombobulated.
Matthias. No. All right.
Okay, so 2 stories. Okay. Yama it's nampacho nyame ya domo Friday ne ye kan ye ne beba so de
before and after we odi
e beba so na ne ye mboaboa ye
before and after beba so ntima me fan sugar. So we are looking at on Friday like you call live now what tagging what upload you pictures what tagging say in case we need Facebook any the number betuja so that don't your picture number but in ka tagging na be because e be competition na ne obedi first no ya man 20 gig ne obedi second 10 gig ne obedi third no 5 gig na wa connect to me their browser I mean imagine so when you 20 gig for the weekend ain't never so far
so until no more pictures na monya na ready me mo bebre but I me fama because Jerry ono nani abri the one person
David be fama me so fama
one fama ba onya
the one person discombobulating me that
why you
your palm me pick a cram where you see
is that punk
yeah it's clear.
Anyway, it's for a bus Friday before and after our picture, our high school picture, as against our current picture. Pacho Bomodiana and ready. Yeah, the number betuja now they are sending. And I say, yeah, call live Friday no on Facebook. I'll be to me tagging with a picture. Wait to me, I upload you a hot near day. See, Friday very exciting. Chai. Young
anyway. Okay, Mame and Shen next stories nasi with gospel musician Scott Evans. Okay, so on your nominations were TGME, Urban Contemporary Gospel Song of the Year.
Okay.
Any other Nkofobina. Was this when Timmy we need a category no be very disappointed.
Be discombobulated.
Medasi.
And where the new one watching
yeah.
I
say or say Juma wa ya. I mean, who else? Who else? Or boy Juma and you ma recording show sa wakobi. Just say Juma ne dia wa ye. Into washa masia to ho. Organizers no. Yeah, bomo koko ya sha masia to ho. Into small fa man ya ba be didi.
Ehona ya asem. Many things like comes to play. Say the problem I mean 1 year. You nominate you. Work hard. Push it. Votes no any whatever thing you need to do push it. Nemo oba out because say and even in your own mind, without the knowledge of anyone, a competition our room. When you can say, "Yeah, farmer mia," may already know
what put you in a situation be out.
Exactly, and it is possible that you not get. It's also possible that you not get.
But it's true. Actually, we're putting the in a situation.
Yeah, it's possible you not get. I want to dear free banu. You should understand that competition. Me no can say me no can say me competition my year to about me. See me no can say 25th end.
Oh.
It's not me can say we dear some me na
say adie bi so.
You can come positive. You should have a positive mind, but you see,
do or die and now
send a life here no. If you always, because at the end of the day nipa na you.
Yeah.
Nipa na ye. Anyway, ayana it is alleged, me evidence. It make us nkofo akocheche ska we chire. Ama it is unyum na ye na chede ne umu no. Nyame edudu mu no, eno na oda na di. Oda na di. Enye in quotes say award no kwa ka ho aye. A boy boosting your friend saying, "You tell one can boost confidence to do more." However, say on san can no say create a problem be man better than another thing. About describe no discredit music career and I be sir. And we should be very of that and to for some share. Sad, you know. But you're wishing well.
Yeah, I can understand him because over the years, no. You are nominating Nibia.
Yeah.
In me say no. Do this until you can we seek a public sympathy. Now you vote here, man. Into this and so the end yes.
And organizers who more boy.
Voting man.
I didn't and make us a voting. Say enye about one in Kwan. About 1 percentage be and a board no so yet
exactly.
Ain't you know. I'm sure the message I will try to carry across and say. I mean, oh dear.
Ma eradi.
No, I can't go from him.
No.
Anyway, so we wish him well. I mean, Scotty Vance, the guy.
Yes.
In fact, once what bunny did, you're very ready. Aye. Not today though. Now on be can't some petty for na yen Aye. Support, and that's the support we can give him.
All right. Okay. The next story now year lawyer be a tufu ni chichu pa ne omanya mensa wo mo so no asofo no ene asofo ma me fo chichu pa ne edifo no say ye wo freedom of worship.
Okay.
Obia tumi de ne ho join ekuo bi a wo pe ana association but eba legal matters they don't legal matters ne spirituality emfa.
Okay.
It is a woko she obi nkom na enkom no ye ade a ebetimi akose harm. Ana problem ama obi a mpacho ye de oba court wa ye bechi watum ye be jeli wo.
Okay.
So wudi for ye de oba court na wudi for ye be jeli wo.
Okay.
Emfa ho se wo si wo hu.
Okay.
Ana wo kan court emramu no ye mfa ano adanse ne ye de ye adwuma. Enti no yes see nienti asa caution ba ye ne say recently odifo bi ko share obi nkom wo na sorry dem say nipa no na wo ye sofo.
Okay.
O she bema e no share ne nkom say o sha ne partner na oni ni date girl no ne wo ho no o date two other ministers of God.
Wow.
Aside or no enti won hwe ni yi.
Wow.
Enti se wa na Jesus nipa we no person ware ne dia. De nyame aka no. Either so obekọ back to God akọbọ ho mpaye. Ana so no abaye ne hwehwemu. Na wo hu no kra e wa asem no se de be ya e be save ono asa stress no.
Okay.
Cause sofo de ono I mean. Ukoye sa na ma ne sa ye na dwen se we share obi opeso okoye ne ho ade. Na ye be share ho nkomo asori de mefa relationship ne ho. Se won hwe na girl no o date two additional ministers. And people felt like ade we nka obetimi afre ni panaka akere no.
Just all can bedroom.
Yes, I was sorry.
Oh, catch a software.
Congregants, no, yes.
Or software, no, sharing
minister, what those we call ministers.
Ministers, okay.
Honestly, your software.
Ketwa,
software ketwa, okay.
Aha, ain't you know? We were like,
not the girlfriend no was sorry them hobby ana.
I'm sure the pastor knows the girlfriend. But 2 other youth one yenim woman. And people were like, oh, nasa same way they are sensitive. Nipa na kwa wa sorry ho. And for those who know the lady she's dating, yes, for those who know the lady she's dating, how would they even feel? And you know, nkobetimi afre no. Yeah. Na one na kasa. O ebia sei na mehu nti wa so ye wade. Enti obisa no se nipa no feel say wagu nanimu ase. O de ne privacy abeto abontin a ompe a obetimi de wa obetime sue you na asam ne so ba court ne ye hwehwemu ne yehu se wodi fo a emra no will deal with you.
That's right.
Wow. Okay. Enti wo metu wo mofo omo say e ba mra mu dia spirituality emfa ho. And I agree in a way because I remember me said 3 years ago and 2 years ago me person me bo asori ni din. There was a program, a yearly program here ekoso. Okay. And okwa there's a segment where the prophet of God deals with singles. Okay. Ain't singles a man meme nyina ebia wo obi a opesa ware no obi a unya ya nyame ebeye wadom na utime de ne ba. Okay. You know ni abo ho mpaye na e ade as a seminar. Okay. Ekoso every year. Okay. And I think that 2 years ago edition, me say issues e kofa bae no. Issues e kofa bae because and the program is live on Facebook. Oh. Yes, the program is mostly live on Facebook and a lot of people join YouTube, Zoom, Facebook. Wow.
Once it's relationship issue, they will
relationship issues. And see odu na you say ne girlfriend or say ne boyfriend no what say ni aboni panidin. This lady you are dating, she's this and this and that. Otiha oyese. Wow. Onpew o ompana bi wa brochire. Ye one ne hehye ho anya me adoma end of this year they are coming to marry. I'm telling you, yes. Wow. Enya adebonio, the intentions were good. But ekwanya ye fa so execute plan no was wrong. Yeah. It's yakofa issues bebre bae. Enti I think so last year the man of God addressed the issue, say onya problems. It is a siano assessment no. Yen no said the na first no mo yen ni biom. Okay. Ain't you know, I noticed I intentionally joined, I watched and I wanted to see how sa edition is obey. Okay. Ain't oba whoever they are prophesying to or whoever they are speaking to yakata wenim. Oh, okay. Yakata wenim. Say edin so now beba say edin de enye nipa ba ko na ekra din ba ko but details be expose nipa na ma. Oh, first note me bobo telephone numbers na I'm telling you. Enti no e ade a ekoso. Yeah. E ade ekoso enti no lawyer na advice say ubeye wasofo sem a just be mindful. Okay. That's your office but ade a obekọ ka edi obi be kwakoto how mu no you have to be guided. And it goes same to omo prophesy about national issues. National issues most importantly ye wo kroma ya tete bebre wo hwa na ese ya chisofu we ya befa odifo we ye kototo na no. I mean, why would you want to go through that stress? I don't have to say
my so the adverse side of it is say nipa no prophesy na say good to the ears and if I'm going to even in Trokra no chakra van go. Oh no, I thought of that. In Trokra no chakra van go to.
When no pay one actually no pay for some mo can say mo can
one on pay for some pakodo. So they are some power no say fako. Actually about 10 years ago me ko program bi wo conference center. Prophets Renando apami boni dia but me boni din and or prophesy to Crawford say ejuma we are no ye ejuma we bo ejuma no embo jai koye we friend lady bi bo lady ni din boni din pe no boni boyfriend din. I still remember that name. It's a common name though. Okay. oboni din we no say ono kire no baby o ono say girl no confirm me say ampa ono say o ware na obetu me ware no na o ware na obetu akon beja akofa oba foforo emboa enti kona ko jai no odu fi a hwekwan enti meti ho no em say sat time na me no sat time na me ware me tell me I just put my legs in the guy's shoes otu wa no America say makwa so you bit an American say no dey elimination by rough 30.
Oh yeah, na say there won ka say obi say I mean we are mature, you have to find a way.
Elimination by rough 30.
So it's there. I mean there was a guy who shared the testimony and I say ne girlfriend and on anything omo ahase kwai to turn niam a opese okoy na okoy oba ne ho ade and he now the compile bomu ni ade so now on said that as an on said that at the chronic potting I say onye clear about whatever he's hearing enti or say one day oko fasting mu and present say issue in pa bonechi no he had the confirmation that obano omwano
okay
so he shouldn't go ahead with the marriage. So near me ya toto half for then obey. Do you know that surprisingly or say adechin he was there in his room or drink kwanya obefa so aka girl ne say omunyai ayane ding or to one who say girl na sending a message or WhatsApp say on no relationship no ntimi into asubi you see say relationship no
menya bida
nipa ga so relationship na boa and I just so ja wa say ma oh ko say
anye
so he was like why I didn't know you man excuse me or say wan kasa ade no kwa no pe kwa ya and a simple amano into wan kasa and that was it. Later about some months later na girl ne buy say no kro ni made e ba ne so or send a message into no panel yeah no see o Debbie I mean
so what I know is that nyame okasa
yes
okasa na ye born empire so tie yen tie pa because uka say boy no na or bomb a compile bomb na we hu say I mean when nya yes so people na ka che na direction is
we are friend nyame your dumfo wa ba bedum mi nyame your dumfo.
It happens because maybe my personal experiences baby.
Wow.
There's some things are me who say mempe now mempe no me who say na me address no until I just take it to God. Me was sport be a metna and outside sport as in them
and your altar
you can say that na ma catch no me na di ho nkomo say ati me to me so nkoka bibia me to me nyese obe ho na bibia esi na bibia esi o na che say ade na atete ne ho itinyame otie it doesn't matter what it is fa konanim fa kwarade anim ene ni nkomo na obeye otie nti eno no stories na esia na ye nkotie eyi ne tie for work because me gidi say so bi ya ade a nti ye dey chance ye pono ne yakan ya ye dey radias because be brain ni awaya mayen say nkwa na ye wono crap ne som ye bo nti no say yes Sompa light special na ye dey aseda ye di adanse so obi a bibi de ne nyankropon wa ye ni nyina
wa say obi just nyame timi fo obi so e dey relieve bi
ebrew
etimi ba there was a time na me wo race junction
okay
na nso to and the traffic light ni and a taxi driver be car breaking in the middle of the highway
wow
ono kwa opia ontimi mpia onim say police ni oba
okay
epia no owo we bi shed bi on mo chance hu say papa na bre no people were rushing going obi papa no but police ni oba
wow
ebe jina ka nechi o se yanko opia papa na de ni free obi na ne hu na afọ
wow
ache be me fa say 10 years beba
wow
And that police obano like me unibium. And baby I will be a dear. I me elder bakubiso.
Okay.
That time I'm working for a polytechnic. Na oye juma wo begro side of your crack oye juma na.
Okay.
Me school no. E me dwe ho say nema yi mu di beko station. One of me Jerry was school me say I'm school. I'm be twema kwa Accra.
Wow.
I'm say me cry me wie na me project I come in here so me never come on.
Wow.
Say sa nema na ada say sa nema na me say that relief I've not me rain feed that. Only man Odin 54th birthday. Other Frank agree.
Wow.
Me man happy birthday.
And Essie Sompa live special day so the and yes nyamisha man.
Amen.
I send your yema on Radi Sumbreni relief. Ade chain su bia Radi insane mano. I na on to me enya abotoyem ne ahoto like ne buntoniyem Radi no mwano. Inti Elder Frank
agree na Sam or the Church of Pentecost Abeka Central.
Wow.
Nyamisha no pa.
Nyamisha inti ete for ye tiesimo ye ba mo akache inti numbers no 0260196064 0260196065 frɛ na obi aye bibi na so wani where experiences service bi na ye woda me pa cho ka ho asem na ye mo mabaso wo enne Sompa delight special so I nyamisha. Hello.
Sompa
Delight.
106.5.
I am market apa. Oh, me who say it you Sompa te mameyo.
Hello. That's right. Do me of the man.
I do me who. Me pa try to say.
Good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing? Yes, sir.
Sir, maybe the catcher said, you can't know one Kakrawai.
Okay.
Maybe to Pram, get a car with Pram.
Okay.
I can't make car, I do with the number who tell me Kakra. I don't make this house who personal.
Aha. And two person I
can't. Okay.
Me too.
I said, this afternoon. Man, be between you more. Now, I didn't hear you. I just couldn't understand myself. I was asking myself a lot of questions. The issue is that Okasa or a stamina.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sompa
Delight. Me fashion idea. Oh, mini abla. Nyamisha, ye mo akwaba.
Yeah. No papa.
Ne dera dia.
Na me di na me question.
Okay.
What can we do? Start number 1.
Okay.
Now, Monday, me call since the night. No, need to come down. Now, if you the young, you are found to police. No, then, let me get a little. No, look at one and this. You
Yeah.
You know, I am done about
Yo, any. Yeah, there are the Mama Mess Kitchen. Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Delight. And that's a supermarket here. Me patron no one set neck a crack. Auntie Akosia Yemo Aquaba. But Sompa delight.
If I told me, let me take this opportunity, that make me want to say.
Oh.
Yeah, really, na make me the real thing. I'm a share, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna sing. Don't you, mama?
Amen. 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 Obe person didn't need to jana. And why? Okay. And then young couple on Shanepa. We become from your lips to God's ears. Yamisha also. And it's also bet me a friend. Also bet to me a friend now about Obi Abaso. Obi se Mama's Kitchen. Obi se Nikuno. Obi se Dr. Wyatt. Mami be a woho. Yamisha munina. Sa. I we papa now we be who. Yes, it's Sompa market yapa. I'm Pastor Pa. 0260 196065 0260 196064. Also free. Na Bobi Abaso. Na producer. Yeah, boy man for Abaso, yes. Na me experience service be.
Okay.
Bank be.
Okay.
And I think that it was almost 60 up. And yeah, boy, be Abaso na yeah, say. I mean, others to best up. Okay, ude my main fat calling na me.
Yeah, we yapa.
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sompa? Delight. Sompa? Delight.
The patrol, my dear sister Manti.
The patrol sister?
Sister Manti.
Oh, Sister Manti. Welcome to Sompa? Delight.
Patrol, the person is need to be asking. Why you couple beer, sister? And singing can. The thing I need to say no best now. Oh yeah, your friend is sister. But you can't swear.
Okay.
Madam is man away.
Oh.
Tell me sing a nation.
Amen.
Oh yeah, Adolfo. Oh yeah, sister friend. The minister so slow. Sister I'm sure watching.
Oh.
Madam, only me know your man.
That's right.
Me setting my warriors spell. Na me ko yi me de no okoye. Na me free awo so be no sister ya poto mpa adreni.
Wow.
Sister ni share me. Sister me hu de kin.
Wow.
Sana no to start to.
Wow.
So when you show you are a sister to me. You are a friend to me. Madam, someone jam to you.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Sompa. Right. Auntie, sister for Wanyami on Shaupa. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You ready? I'm going to ask you. Now, a present about Kupa, Makupa, the piano, the piano, I am Mamia Kusua. Mamia Kusua,
boss, but Antiaco Sia go abwaji, Madam Communication. Patron, I would do.
Emmanuel, make us fresh alaga.
Okay, all right. Yeah, Sompa Rhapsody. Ekoye pa. Martinti producer ne obekasa. Why? Na ya hye say eno no be ya nti koso aneti Sompa. Ai, nyame sha. Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sompa.
Delight.
Oh. Okay.
Me facho wudi maybe our frefi.
But for me just one day.
Just one day. Just one day. Akwa baba Sompa Delight so. Delight.
Oh. The program the program no pa yo anyankopon o nshira mo pa.
Amen. O nshira o sibebe.
Me mami ba ko bi da makoma to pa me pete me danase.
Okay.
Me de Madam Ernestina if what that you. Mami ya papa bi mami ya. Yo anyankopon na me se ni nshira e ma no. Me mami friend me I think the last 2 years, I was supposed to be something a fan of me. One of them, they were going to Mukakra or Cape Coast. Na me share me mami kakra. If 2 years ago, niya, mami ne says that I was again a mami say, oh me mami, oh ma, ne won pare o se o me wan say wa no cause the caution. If you want more, every way be honest that the other one, mami are sending me. Oh. Na ya fashion mami no. Oh. E fashion mami no. It was sending me on cash in Chiremi. They me want was sending me. If you or sending me sana, na catch mami say, oh, mami be, and I was sending me sana. A cash and coupon the pneumonia. This sana ya no sending me any crying shy, I militia me mami no. And they keep me mami, ama me mami 86 years.
Wow.
86 years ni. But me mami ni di wo near my partner mami no, eye mami no. Because of no no. And mami no so. But akolebia we SS. Okoto no market. Na kula no bua ni mami wo. Amoto otonkosia. Eye mami ni sete akola we SS na oton we obi da akola na plan say we qualify for university. But that thing of the course. They say mami ekusu ehwe kola photo no so say obe sha akola na ko university.
Wow.
They say no mami no show akola na ko university akola no level 200.
Wow.
The bibia o ye mani ne ma le busiano. Ta pepe no ye ma akola no.
Nyame shra.
No onyi akola. Ta pepe no ye ma akola no pepe. Amedan mama mi Ernestina ne fwa sakifi me dana se panya kupon manu kwasenti no shira no.
Amen.
No shira juma bia o yes.
Amen.
Yakupon shira no pa me na
even. Nyame so shall. Nyame so shall.
Bye bye.
Enti mama Ernestina nyankopon onhyaw pa nyankopon onhyaw obi bia ofre ye wosu nyame onhyaw ai I mean nyankopon de se oye bibi na woda na se a oye mo enti saha na nipa susu tie o
yeah
obi ye bibi ama na woda na se no obenya nkranhye no waye ne mo enti no se next week the best share subium na se wo ba nipa obebo na baso no frɛ no no ntie sa because wuti ho na se wuti udin won frame mu a wo vim bia de ma
yes otie kwa pa no kwa hye ne nkwa ma ne ye mo
ane enti frɛ nipa no na ka se mama me be bodi another na say me be bodi on radio so Sompa 106.5 FM ai na ontumi hu se wani so ade a oye no because we dey tom from mama obia tibi dia esombo
se ni bia nipa no baby on se radio mben na bibia na so betimi akọ online a wa bebo nipa kọ na ba so no ka je ne se onko Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ye also live we betimi a share link no krapo di ama no na nipa na etie o ahwe etie bibia ho obi se he who is thankful will always have his tank full.
That's right.
It's right. So that your tank will also always be full.
Me producer preacher and say no.
I
know. Oh, it's been an amazing time. And yeah, that will be out to me free. I say, I am Koswani na omomu eboya na me beka story be me to asheda. Me to asheda because I can beka bank experience na me nya but
next week we be
I am on no. I am on me feeling na
influence am pese obeto to boaba park so. Next week dey no be shase.
Na sa wo pese o contact your client service am patch your number obe free ni 0531 886 216 0531 886 216. So open inquiry bia o pese wo free say me papa ya na o pese on auntie akoso ya say ta number we wo free you bet sure what to do and ye dirty for us. I mean
okay
0531 886 216 216. And your producer repeated that on every street 0531 886 216. I Sompa Accra client service line no I inquiry bia we here bia ubenya main fa akwenya in the Lexter Company Limited as say producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush say almost saw Yasne Emma Yetumi di Jimedi Ebremo. I Namina ye mame and Tiakosia go abwaji madam communication I say I Oshaho no pianfila neba.
No piamba.
No piamba.
International woman.
I tell you, ain't it? Yeah, then I say, now me that team members, you know, say, Elder Jerry, my producer, thank you so much. And you rich bits my and easy.
DJ Baku.
Just so medana say na menda Saint Augustine and Lady Jill Anna.
Jill Buesi.
And then they are family. Mendo was so mudia to internet so I now fe ye lady ajwa ye lady ajwa ye nana say or the konkonsa ba ye konkonsa mu hwam na ye odeba ai ye na say ye da ejumera say obi biara obo amasompa delight yese ne etie no ye da na say pa nyankropon onhira mu nyina ontonis yopangu mu no ba ye so na bibia mo be ye so Omano enye omamunye kesia kopim se mo be kesi media ne Abena Ruthy me sorry so na se me kwa ni a obete ne eye professor Abochi ode for God and country.